My name is Samuel Dose from Mukozi FM Profeto. Nyazi, I was planning an event, Namsanje, 27. Thanks to everyone that came, thanks to everyone that made this event a success, thanks to arts and living culture rather, thanks to everyone abafike Profeto. Otherwise, into engayisho nje Profeto ukuthi before ngiqhubeke ngibonga abantu into ngibonga is Pamanda Media and the photo art media. Profeto, event is a success kakhulu. We started planning for this event for like a month ago. And then and then like namhlanje it was the date la yenzeka khona yonke into. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy with our performances, and I wish to grow in this thing here. I wish to give other upcoming artists a chance, but only chance now. But I wish to give respect to hip hop and try to not let it die. I think attendance and namhlanje speak volumes about supporting hip hop when it comes to hip hop. Even if you can deny it, but I'm not going to talk about the attendance. But in the issue, hip hop there's so many big things are coming. There is so much that we are trying to build. Charity begins at home. I'm from here, Mlazi. Ngafunda eMlazi, ngafunda eManyuswa, ngafunda eMbizweni, ngafunda the Orient. So I know almost everything that has been happening, and vision yethu as iClassic Image is to enhance enrich hip hop la eKZN nase South Africa York. But ngeke siye South Africa singaqalanga la eMlazi. At least siqale la eMlazi bese siyaqhubeka. Thanks to everyone, thanks to Any Love the host, thanks to Dr. Zaleni host, thanks to Young Cannibal for pulling through and giving us the dopest performance I've ever seen. What performance is Young Cannibal? But today it was out of this world. I hope everyone was good. Yeah.
And other people on the lineup too, please, so that we look at
yeah. Oh, okay. Koloko, shout out to Koloko, shout out to Joystick, shout out to Pinches One, shout out to Laos, yeah. Shout out to like you know, it was a great event. Just in case don't forget anyone. Shout out to those now we post you know, next time we will always do this thing all the time. Otherwise, my name is Sabelo Tusi, all the way from the Blast. But yeah, Any Love, Sunday, I just wanna interview
that's Any Love.
Any Love.
No. It's not Any, it's Annie.
Oh,
it's from Annie Samtebu. Initial me as Annie, and he's a little time, so it's Any Love. But the conversation was very great. Shout out to you. I'm proud. Oh, your big it's been a journey. And yeah, man, now we are small space. And shout out to everyone that took now you're going to this is my man right here, not Pelanga Lyricator, but this is my guy.
This is my God.
Yeah, through it all, bro. So she's still as a station, we're pushing the hustle. If we want to know you are someone new, whatever we are paying up, stick to your dreams, hustle. What's the only person doing so? I live for there's no dream that is you know? You gotta keep on putting the energy, the time and the effort. Fucking energy, time and the effort. Energy, time and effort. Yeah, so keep it going.
Yeah, energy, time and effort. Yeah. And yeah, last but not least, you know, ask everybody. Yeah. For our upcoming talented artists.
And I believe I'm an upcoming artist. The woman who's a man, I can't tell him young, hey, can I artist same time? Because upcoming artists are raw. I was really not good at
what you expect
in terms of hip hop. Yeah.
In terms of growth, sponsors, words, bigger for it to be put on a platform. But every year it's a big event and it incorporates our business partners, our sponsors, Red Bull, our playing, clothing. You know, where we go from small but big. Small steps but big moves. Yeah, come back, guys.
Yeah. Just to add on that, and the thing is, we've got to have people connected in about so that we can attract some sponsors. But if abantu bona bengasondeli, we won't have our sponsors. So ukuze kube mnandi, let us support into yethu, asingasupport singabalika umuntu waphesheya. You never know how big you're gonna become tomorrow. You remember what like uSpantana, be proud of yourself and just support one another. So next year, I think it's going to be lit.
But I don't think, I know it's going to be lit.
Oh yeah, it's going to be COVID, but yeah, it's going to be lit because say she don't need love.
It's going to be lit.
So yeah.
But I'm a candidate, like.
So let's also perform on a candidate. Otherwise, yeah, there is.
Shout out.